How to add hyperlink in LinkedIn post. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your LinkedIn application. Then go to create a post over here. Now all you have to do is paste the hyperlink link you have over here like this, and you will be done. You can change your post privacy and many more. You can also add image. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.